Hello everyone, welcome to TechGilbert channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to remove your pin from your Windows 10 computer. Now the first thing you have to do is go to Start and then click on Settings. Now from here go to Accounts. Now from the left click on Sign In Options, and in here click on Windows Hello Pin. Now as you can see here, the remove option is grayed out. If it is the same in your case too, then what you can do is just scroll down a bit and then click on this radio button here under the require Windows Hello Sign In for Microsoft accounts, and then scroll down a bit more, and then from here select Never. Now just go back to any screen here. Let's say we go back to your info and then come back to sign in options again, and then Windows Hello Pin. Now you can see that we can remove the pin. Now all you have to do is just click on remove and then click on remove again. You can read this safety warning if you want. Now enter the password of your Microsoft account and then click on OK. And we have just removed the pin from our computer, but hold on, there is one last thing that we are gonna have to do. So for that, just go to Start and then type in Run and then press enter from your keyboard, and then in here type in NETPLWIZ. After that click on OK. Now in here uncheck this box, just click here to remove the tick and then click on Apply. In here just click on OK and then click on OK. This will remove the pin from your Windows computer, and now if you want to try to log in again, you will see that no pin is required. And that is how you can remove the pin from your Windows 10 computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.